TV license for 2017 and 2018 and stand a chance to win fabulous prizes. The competition will run for 3 months beginning from January 2018 to March 2018, and only individuals who have reached the age of 18 and have paid their TV license for 2017 and 18 will be considered for the draw. In the Times of Swaziland newspaper, complete a tier of TV license pay and win entry form. The tier of entry form must then be posted to the Times of Swaziland. Draws will be conducted monthly at the Times of Swaziland offices from January 2018, and the grand draw will be held in March 2018. Prizes will include 2 32-inch TV sets worth 4,500 emalangeni each, 3 Huawei P10 Lite cell phones worth 2,249 emalangeni each, 3 nights stay for 2 with breakfast, and consolation prizes worth 50,000 emalangeni. Draw dates are as follows: 11th February, 25th February, 11th March, and the grand draw will be held on the 25th of March 2018.